What's going on, pros? This is Mike Dirty Promotions. In this episode, does dish soap really affect window tint during installation? We'll find out. For this experiment, we'll be using Ajax dish soap and some Tint Slime Slip Solution Green Original Formula. For the film sample, I chose Global Window Film Ceramic Series because Global is renowned to have the strongest adhesive in window tint in the market. Sample size will be yay big. We'll be using this Model 3 windshield to install our window tint samples. Our window tint slip solution will be at a ratio of 1 ounce per gallon, and we will be using a syringe for exact slip measurements. The methodology I'll be employing for this test sample will be installing a square piece of window film, leaving an elapsed time of 1 minute, and try to reset the window film sample to see if it moves up and down. Okay, first window tint pattern slip solution will be Tint Slime. Keep in mind this is a ratio of 1 ounce per gallon. We'll be using our Torx 2 with a 90 durometer. So something that's gonna be pretty hard and solid, not a soft squeegee, right? Okay, we'll be doing that. Positioning very well, like we normally would any type of side window on a vehicle, to assure that it's stuck pretty good. It's pretty good already, okay? Time, 8 seconds. Next 8 seconds, I'll be right here. I'll come back and I'll move this pattern, see if it slides around. 1 minute elapsed time. All right, it's been 1 elapsed minute. Let's go ahead and move the pattern, see if it moves right here. She's pretty grabby. Okay. Next up, dish soap. Same rate of 1 ounce per gallon. Let's do our Torx 290 durometer, same exact squeegee. Same methodology as far as like getting all this pressed out pretty good, getting all that water from the top to not come down on the pattern. Right now the time, 29 seconds. We'll be right back in exactly 1 minute, okay? Alright, it's doing exactly 1 minute. Let's see what it does as far as movement goes. You see this right here? It's moving way more. So on your back windows, windshields, even side doors, if window film is rolling off or peeling off, might not be the window film. Could be the slip solution. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. The 1 minute set time I gave it was just to assimilate us installers installing a side window, a back window, or a windshield, and hoping that the window film would sit at least after a minute of installation. For these and other great tint hacks, follow me, Mike Sanchez, Dirty Tools, Dirty Promotions. Have an awesome day.